This is the personal juice blender unboxing. Including the package is a mixer, user manual, 2 spill prevention lids, 2 sports cups, and a dry grinder. Here we have the start button, so just press the button to start the mixer. It's great with fruit and vegetables. At the bottom there is rubber safety, so it protects furniture from scratches. So when inserting the sports cup, make sure to press down and turn clockwise to lock, as so. Here I'm just adding some ingredients to the sports cups. Then I'll be using the mixer. Now I'm just going to insert the sports cup into the mixer. Make sure to turn clockwise. Press the start button a couple times. And it should mix it very well. As you can tell, the mixer does an extremely well job in mixing the fruits. As you can tell, the spill prevention lid does a great job. It's easy to open. It has a little handle for travel. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.